3, 2, 1, motherfucking contact. Remember that show? That was badass back in the day. Look that shit up. It was like one of them science-y shows. Anyway, here we are back again. I gotta take a slurk of my drink as usual. Cause I'm back making another motherfucking video on another motherfucking day of paradise. So, here's how we do. Here's the thing. I've been playing around with this a little bit. You know, we got our stuff. I'm gonna make the... Where is it? La 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 la. Okay, whatever. Fuck it. I'm just gonna copy this temporarily. And use that. Just as a... Looking for blue... Red star will work. That might stand out on that background. Okay, so, just so you can see that. And... Okay, so we were working... Doing some more basic templatization, basic structural stuff. We're not even getting anywhere near like the polished version. In fact, a lot of the stuff that I've developed for cutscenes, like even Ayla's Quest, I gotta go back and polish. There'll be a follow-up polish video. It's probably gonna be like 7 hours long, but I'll break it up into segments. So here's what I was thinking. Assign, this is a good idea, but it didn't work. Assign previous location to 216. If it's the Black Omen, then set this variable to 0. And then set previous location to this, which is the current location, right? After it checked it. We don't need a go to in this, because we're not skipping anything. We're not skipping some other condition. But I wanted to set it to this because then, because I figured, okay, if I walk in this location and I exit from this location into the other side of the map, where there are exits, where are our exits? What the fuck? I'm blaming Windows. Straight up blaming Windows. Like, what the fuck? Where the fuck is this shit? I am not amused. I'm not amused. I am not amused. Motherfucker. Okay, so I don't trust this shit. I'm closing it up. So I'm just gonna close that up. And I'm blaming Microsoft Word also. So we're closing that up. No, never save onto that unless you improved it somehow. Fucker. I'm telling that to Windows. You gotta take another slurp. Oh, I'm up. Alright. This better be there. I'm pissed about the exits. Why the fuck would that not draw? I don't know what to tell you, man. That's just beyond-o. Yay! Okay, fool. Fucking, yeah, fool! Fool! Hee 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 hee! And, yeah, for anybody that knows what that's all about, what I just said there, fucking, I give you a salute. Okay, so, damn it. I'm getting pissed off. Okay, so, anyway, this was one of those because after the return, but before our loop, I made, in fact, actually, is the loop doing that? No, it shouldn't, because otherwise it would come up endlessly, and we would be annoyed. 028F, yeah, it's just gonna go up to here. 0B, arbitrary 1. They should have had a, by the way, I'm going back all the way up here. Yeah, they should have had a right-click go to that. If you ask me, if we ever get the source code for this, we're fucking adding that shit day one. Like, yeah. So yeah, we have arbitrary 1. It's going to assign our store to from 7F0300 to 7E0200, which is our value 8 used in numerical count. So what I should make is those square, actually. I don't know where it is now. Fuck it, I'll just go back in here. Numerical count 0. Okay, cool. Damn it. I actually forget where the other... So you know what? Fuck it. Let's look up where it could be. This is a waste of time already. God damn it, when I wanted to cover other stuff. So, fuck you. Waste of time. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Ha! Okay, so we've got one up here where Ayla's tail feather wing thing is. I don't know if that's a cape or what. Oh, the other one's here. I'm gonna make it like here. I'm gonna update that to like... I'm gonna update that. Cause yeah, I realized that like they could wander this forever, but in sort of a square location because Squaresoft Enix, I don't know. Whatever. The world is square. Yeah. This should be up here. Actually, I'm going to make this one higher. We'll just go to 30. And we've got... Let's put this one here at... Let's put 4, actually. This is 30, 30. 30, 30, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That does not make sense. That does not compute. Okay. How about... Okay. 1. Yeah, that could work. Because the chances of you hitting... And you know what we could do is... Because I want this to be kind of invisible, but not, like, too hard to find. Like, it should be one of those, like, we should actually just put 5 objects as, like, landmines. You know? Ooh. Like a landmine of Void Puzzle, like Minesweeper, but walking on stuff. I don't know. Whatever. I'm just coming up with shit, but 3C. I don't know why I chose that one. Okay. I don't know, man. Okay, so now we have we have to reorder this, otherwise we'd have some problems, yo. So, like, 30C. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, so now we have 4 of those at least. Where it could be. And it should be red star. Like, it might not be showing up because it's so fucking hard to see. So, like, let's make a motherfucking new NPC. Let's make a new... Let's, find one of these unused... Not the bottom ones. There is something with... I think after F9... I tried these one time, it would just automatically fucking crash the game. Maybe I'm wrong, but we'll pick a different unused. We could use these. Yeah, let's use one of these. Let's use D8. Okay, and so I don't forget. I can copy this. Let's see if I can copy that. Yeah! Thank goodness. Alright, cool. I'm just putting that in the clipboard, in the Windows clipboard, so that I can, Oh yeah, that's right. I was making like another Kino or something. I don't know. Whatever. Oh yeah, that was Kino so that he could be in Searing Chasm. I can't overwrite that. Alright. In fact, string relabeler. NPCs. D8. Name. Kino. Yeah. There. Unfortunately, hitting change makes it go back to the top of the list, but let's see if it exists. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's do this instead. Let's do D9. But I copied that still on the keyboard, or I'll remember now, because I had to do a bunch of stuff. Blue Shining Star Large. That's what I want. Oh, God. Wait. C3. We're not trying to change the name anymore of that. C3PO. Oh. Okay. E8. 59, 6, 8, E8, 59. I'm trying to remember that. I like to make a little song in my head, but in case I can't, we got a friend print screen on the keyboard. PRTSC is what it's called. Partsk is what. Yeah, that. So, yeah, hit the print screen button, and like it will take a snapshot of your desktop, and just go to Microsoft Paint and Control V that motherfucker. So, by now you should know this, of course. You know this. Now, this isn't called that yet because, of course, the string index windows, you'd think it would be more advanced than that, but whatever. E859.6. 3 numbers is usually easy to remember, and then 8B. And the last one is actually usually 0 for sprite size. Okay, there we go. We got ourselves a cutesy, wootsy, new sprite. In fact, D9, where are we at? D9. No. May as well go there too. D9. Change it to L Sparkle. L Sparkle? Lord Sparkle. Or whatever. Close that. I'm going to close that and reopen it so that good old L Sparkle is there. Oh, God. You fucking motherfucker. Trying to think about what that would be. Like, hitting details never tells you anything. Like, it should tell you the variable. Like, it'll tell you what loaded bullshit. Okay, system outside of range. Index was outside of the bounds of the array. Well, I was pretty sure it was well within it. Fuck you. God damn it. You know what I'm going to be pissed about? Because I have to go back to what I was doing before. I'm not naming any NPCs right now. Ah! So, fuck it. Just before shit hits the fan, because I'm assuming that got corrupted. I'm just gonna assume. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to my events that we changed and fix this fucking shit. God damn it, son of a bitch. At least export it. And that better not. In fact, actually, before I hit export, I'm gonna go into that. And okay, text looks okay. This stuff looks okay. Go-tos. $415. Oh shit, good thing I noticed this. I didn't notice that was gonna warp back to that and you're stuck getting that. Ha ha ha. But all the other stuff is okay. So I just gotta fix that part from each of the elementals. But, okay, so that looks okay. Export. There we go. Cool. Cause now let's go back into that. It's probably broke. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be like this. In fact, Kino's thing isn't even there. Alright, whatever. It could be because I changed the name in the thing and while it was open. I don't know. I'm not gonna get too weird about it, but because I'm pretty sure it isn't that. And red star, I can't remember what that's used for actually. in the original game. Like, I used it for Lavos at the beginning of that, the beginning cutscene that I made, which we're gonna get into a little bit here. We gotta talk about that. Because that's the short version. There's actually an extended scene of that. E8 5968B. I wish I could just copy NPC, that'd be nice. I might have fucked something up. I'll watch the video later eventually. Probably upload it before I watch it. I'm like, oh, duh, I should have edited this stuff out. Nope, not gonna happen. Yeah, that works. Fucker. Okay, it didn't like the L dot or something. It didn't like that in there. I'm gonna export this. Oh, great. Okay, so we have all of them. Okay. That's good, though. That's good, though. Now we have a way to export this stuff. Lightning, light sparkle. We'll just call it light sparkle. Call it lemonade. We could call it old man hay. Or whatever. Let's change the palette. That's of something that might fit in like this. Like that. I won't save that yet, because I want to... Okay. Now I'm going to save it. And... we're off! Good God, what should have taken 5 minutes? It's just taking a little bit longer. But I've said that before. Numerical count 0. Okay, background layer 1 off, background layer 2 off. We don't have a sparkle drawing anywhere on here. Huh. That sucks. But we still haven't... Get out of the way. Fuck off, paint. Just fucking suck a bag of dicks. Oh, haha. You know what it did? It probably hit 255, right? Right. It probably hit... Oh, shit. This didn't even save? Uh-oh. Motherfucker. I fucking hate when this shit crashes. Yeah, you're going up one space, by the way. Fucker. Yeah. 3-0. $30 company. And Coco. Motherfucking chocolate company. Willy Wonka. Motherfucker. Okay, so I'm just a little bit irritated. That's okay. And then we want 30-30, right? Those should be the kind of basic premise of the coordinates of the... Out of the way, stupid. There. Yeah. Yeah. So we got the map, that. And now we're going to do our friendly calculator. And we should probably all know this a million times, but I forget. So just do FF divided by 4 is... That's not right. No, that's not right. That couldn't be. Calculator's lying. Alright, so whatever. 255 divided by 2. Right? Yeah, okay, 7F. Alright. Fine. Half of it, alright. Half of it's gonna be 7F. That's the halfway mark. This is gonna be 3F. I can guarantee that. I can guarantee that. That's gonna be FF. I think this is EF. I'm not sure. So, is if I divide this by 2 again? Okay, yep, 3F. So, plus 3F. Dick lips. Okay, how about this? 7F. You fucking ass clown. Quit fucking up! Do you wanna die? Yeah, they do. Times 3. Ha! Butt lips. BD. Yeah. And that means now. Oh, fuck. I fucked my back up the other day. Hold on, I gotta catch some Pokemon. As I'm taking a slurk. Okay, so, continuing on, haha. We got this lovely if this. Unfortunately, we fucked up. Because these needs go-tos, right? Because if it's going to run outside the range of this, it's still going to go to the next one. Now, you could actually stack these in reverse, but it would still have that problem. So, it's just you have to... It's good housekeeping. You should just put your go-tos if you're doing an if random number generator or an if range. Now, in C++, of course, you don't have to do that because it's handled for you. That stuff. Yeah. That. God damn it. Yeah. I think I would remember which object it was. I think it's like, We're off to see the wizard. Yeah. Cool. Fuck you, draw status, hide. Go away. O5B2. They should have like go to grab onto one of these. Blip. That'll be the second thing we have. Check this out. This isn't hold my beer. This is though like I'm using the same go-tos. Okay, it's object F, god dang it. Tab. O5B5, 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 O5. Cool! Yeah, that shit works. Like, you can do it the way I just did that with go-tos. Be careful though, you still should always do a save, write memory, like, where it did some stupid ass Neo Matrix shit over there. And then, yeah, and then like close it and then go back and look. Anytime you use a go-to, you should always do that. It's good practice. Yeah, let's try this shit, because this is going nowhere fast unless we have some graphical, glossy results to play with. Okay, so we got it over here. Cool. That stands out perfect. That stands out just enough from here. Just like, god dang it, where do I go? This should probably be autoed. Oh, I must have hit the menu. Okay, we got numerical count 1. Unfortunately, we're going back. We're getting numerical count 0. However, this is kind of a cool thing. Like, we got the random, like, he's over here now, even though it's just a sparkle for right now. And what I want to do actually is, I want to actually kind of hide this scene. Like, I want to kind of put, like, there's a way to do that. We'll talk about that later when we polish this. But it's kind of like you're in a blank scene and there's not even the galaxies. Because once you see the galaxies and stuff, like in the scroll pattern, like, because each of the elements, even the water element and the fire element, we're going to go back and add a special room for them, like, later when we do polish stuff. Because I want this to be like, yeah, there's the fire. Like, that's cool. But there should be like a portal that brings you to a scene like this that has like there's a lava one. Yeah, something like that where like the fire element has like a fiery glow to it. There's a watery one. I know it. Even that would work. As long as you're warping. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, like that. You know what I mean? The water one has that. So, like, we got this shit covered. But I want this, like, for the light element, for it to be motherfucking invisible. Oh, God. I'm going the wrong way. Now I'm just fucking around. I'm just wasting time. Wasting video time. Ooh. You know what? Man, I could so go into SNES Pal and edit that blue to something else. Like yellow. It look like yeah. I'm gonna try that. Okay, so we have that. Problem is we have if previous location is 146. Set that to 0. Thing is, it's gonna set that to 0 anyway. Like, we have to find... there's two ways we could do this. Okay, so we could go to our friend, the Adventurer's Tent. I'm gonna use that as a base. Because that's my base, like, that's my safe place. And, we have, like, a sign. Mem to mem, right? Load from store to width. It could be the variant I use, actually. And B1. Because I wanted to actually assign the current, yeah, to that. Right, and that counts properly. But somewhere else, there's another one. Right? Like, every time they go to, okay, where's Gaspar? Hey. Yeah, I put this in here. 8-1. That's the one I'm looking for. Yeah, so we got a plus. We're incrementing it, right? Byte math, all that stuff. And then play the sound, crashing metal. And then after a pause, maybe I gotta have another one of these too. I better throw that in. Load from, okay, here we go. Load from store to. Like, that doesn't make any sense. But at the same time, I figured I would try that. Just to try to see if it would store in, like, semi-permanent memory. Because the stack is, for the scene, is reloaded Oh, that's a way cooler color scheme, I think, maybe. Count 1. Yep, so it's gonna reset anyway. Yeah. So we're not even getting to count 2 yet to draw the next figure that appears. So we've got to figure that out. So we could okay, so this is like Marley's. This is a bit of Marley's code in the Warrior Workshop. Like the starting all the stats for the characters. Like here's Chrono, and here's his level 1 when you first get him. I'm gonna change this a little bit. I'm gonna rebalance some of the game so that, like, because of the elements and some of the other quests added along the way, each of the characters is gonna have to be rebalanced, right? Right. Especially because some of the bosses we modded, that kind of stuff. We'll get into that in final polish stuff before we do a playtest, and I'll do a playtest with all the voices and all that other shit. But for now, catch a motherfucking Nidoran. I mean, never mind. I'm sorry, playing Pokemon Go while I'm doing this. I have too many arms. Nah, I'm kidding. Somewhere in here, I'll talk about this plugin later. It's not too complicated or complex. But there was something in here about... I don't think, actually, that's loaded. Like, this is one of those... this is one of the unknowns. And I was told long ago that it would carry over... you butt lips. I don't even know what that's doing. What the fuck? I could throw a desktop over there? God damn it. Fucking Windows. Oh, I'm so mad. God damn it. This won't go away now. Ah! Yeah, just kindly fuck off. Thanks. Yay. Fucker. Yeah, so anyway, it could be one of these. It could be one of these values, actually. Like, but we remember from, like, when we were doing the Adventurer's tent that, like, Luca's code, the Adventurer's rank had, like, 7,125, some weird number. And every time you would start a new game plus. So it's kind of like, I don't see anything here that could be that or encrypted as that. So I'll get into that later. Whatever. But this is Marley's. One of these is Marley's. I think this is Marley's. This is Lucas. So I'm going to take this number. And the fast way to get the number, because what we're doing here, I'm going to just paste this in. And then I'm going to go to the next one. We're going to go basically 7E299E minus 7E294E equals 50, right? We got 50. So we're going to go to the higher one. We're going to go to 7I299E. Now, I wanted to save these for later. I want to do something with these. All of these extras if they're not used. But we're going to do plus 50. We got 7E. Yeah. Plus 50. That one. This should be Robos. I wanted to use these for factions. If we're not, because I don't like to erase stuff. The point of my Chrono Trigger Plus, there's another Chrono Trigger Plus, actually there's 3 of them out there. There's 2 in, like, whatever they're calling it, but, mine was to, like, fit as much shit into the game as possible without breaking it. Just to test out Temporal Flux. And I broke it. I got to the point where I had to expand it across 3 ROMs. Please insert disk 2 now. It was like that. Remember that shit back in the day when games, were expanded across several disks? Yeah. Please save now, exit the ROM, rename your save file to your second ROM file's name, plus .smc or whatever, whatever, whatever the extension of the fucking save file name is. Do that shit was in a cutscene. God. So, okay, we're gonna do that. I want this. I want that number. I'm so mad right now. I'm just hot thinking about it. Alright, so. Temporarily. Temporarily. You motherfucker. Because there's a space. I'm just so hot right now. Oh, it's a 2 byte. It's a 2 byte though. Yeah, that. Okay, so set that to 0. That's our storage. This is too much fucking steps. I'm trying to think of a faster way to do this. I was actually thinking of, instead of exits, use if PC0 is here, then ka-chink sound effect, warp them over here. Better than exits, because then we can actually keep the scene going. Otherwise, we have the luxury of, we have to make almost 3 variables to temporarily store it and then accumulate it. And I might do the location exit way. I might do the location warp way. That's probably better. Fuck it. Yeah, I don't want to waste this variable. I want to use that for factions. Because, by the way, oh. That's not, yeah, here we go. Yeah, we have raiding with Karas Scholars, raiding with Medina Mystic Society, raiding with Guardian Vanguard, raiding with Gaia Elite, which is our 4 flawless elementals. Because there's going to be other people that show up after a while. Kind of in the, there's always a Zeal person standing near, the first 2. There'll actually be, when you get your rating with them up, after you've done the final cutscene of, you've actually, gone to the Black Omen version, and then, the Lightning one, and, you start getting their rating up, you can... other NPCs will show up, because this rating carries over. These ratings carry over. I don't want... Yeah, there we go. In fact, because that should be Robo. Yeah, I don't want to waste those. I want to use those for that in this project. Let's just do this plus 50 again. But this should be Frog. And I'm wondering, actually, here's a good question. This is a good thing to consider. And then let's just do equals again. Because it will do the previous calculation you did. If you hit equals, it will do it twice. That's why. So we actually have the second next one. The second next one. Yeah. That should be Ayla. This should be Magus. Yeah. Now. Do we have this? Here's the question. I'm going to ask this in the forums, actually. If I go to the... Because the epoch counts as a character, right? There is also, like, the 8th character, the mysterious 8th character, like, threads and stuff out there. Of course, right? Right. Like, there's that. But that doesn't count as the epoch. The epoch does count as a character, though. So I'm wondering if, like, it doesn't have stats. It doesn't have, like, attack, defense, all that stuff. But it counts as a character, so there's a character slot for it. So I'm wondering if, like, you know, they're just... I'm going to consider this as that. You'll get these. Something. To any faction. Oh, yeah. The demistic. Except Gaia Elite. That's our premise. That's where we're heading. Seal Mal, reputation. Yeah, okay, so, like, we can do. Yeah. Yeah, like, adventurous points. And we'll do. Fucker. Ah, that'll work. Score equals AP. There we go. I'm just kind of organizing some of my stuff, I know. Because this is kind of important for later. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Brovos extra new game plus bit. May as well label this stuff so you know what it's for. It will help you out. It will help you out. Ah! I saw that. I saw it. Haha. Ho ha ha. Ho ho. No. Not the crumb up rid of a drop of water. Never mind. If you have any idea what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. If you do, you do. Okay, I gotta take a drink of. I got so many drinks over here. Let's take a drink of Dr. Pepper. Okay. Alright, I finally caught that Pokemon. Fuck. Took forever. Alright, so we're gonna cut this out. We're chopping this shit. We're gonna chop that. Fuck it. In fact, exits, we're chopping that too. Fuck it. We don't care. Because what we're gonna do is, I decided we're gonna make this badass. Let's do, okay, check Y button. Let's do, okay, I'm just kind of thinking, prioritize, data stack prioritization here. I'm thinking, we should check the player, since we're doing a loop of the check player position, right? And in the loop, other stuff happens, right? That we should do a positional check in that first. In that before other luxuries like that. So let's do, we need 4 comparisons, right? Right. Value to memory. Let's just do value memory. Is this a 2-byte? Okay. For now. Okay, so. But I copied this from somewhere else, so. Okay, it is 1 byte and it's 12. Okay, we're on variant 12, whatever that means. I'm still, I'd love to know what these actually do. A slight difference, like, kind of thing would be great to know. So we gotta figure that shit out too. But, copy, paste, click it again, paste. Right? Right. Oh wait, we need 4. So, paste. So, if 212 equals 0, now we have a conundrum. Okay, so let's set the boundaries first, because this one's gonna equal that. Right? Right. And this is gonna be 214. Same as that. Yeah. So we got a little cutesy box. If our Y position equals 0, and then if our Y position equals F. So, that's now in our loop. Instead of our exits. So, we could do this. We could do change location. But that's going to reset the whole location. I almost like the idea of okay, so if 2, okay, first off, we'll make the first one first. Okay, so if 212 equals 0, if, God damn it. Yeah, let's use this. If we're on this first stripe, you can hardly see it highlight because we should have been able to, like, change the highlight color, but whatever. I'm not that mad. I'm mad. A little bit. Okay, so if 212 equals 0. Let's then there's so many ways we could do this. Sprite, we could have them move sprite, we could have them move party. We could instantaneously we could actually use set object coordinates. We could go to each of, we could go to, Chrono, and bam, set object coordinates, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the thing is, we have a mega cutscene coming up, where we're gonna need a lot of animations. So, if we're gonna do this, let's use the bottom 4. Okay, so we're gonna use the bottom 4. There's a shorter way to do this, I know. But I'm doing it kind of what I know is gonna work before we refine it. So, if 212, then object function command call object function PC 0 arbitrary, what was it, 7? That's 4 from the bottom, so 9. 9 with a continue. Yeah, let's try that. Because we got 9, and then we're going to have to put returns. so it closes out and goes back to the object function so it can continue on. Otherwise, it's gonna like do a multi-dimensional, like a multi-binary bleed function like into other stuff, and then it's gonna fuck shit up. So, before we do, because Chrono's the leader of my party right now, I'm gonna make this for him, and then we'll copy it. We'll use the link function to just link to the other ones of those, so it will save code. So yeah, we have object 9, object 0, arbitrary 9, a okay, so those A, B, C, D, yeah, and then continue. I should almost halt it. I think I should halt it, actually. Because that adds a pause. I'm not sure how long the pause is in halt, but if you do like a mem update, like a assignment to memory, you should almost also have like a little bit of a pause. You motherfucker, how'd that go away? Fuck you, Control X. Haha, bitch lips. I'm back. That reminds me of Casper. The bitch is back. You bitch. Okay, so anyway. Okay, so if x equals 0, then we want D07 something. D07, yeah. Because I kind of want to keep it in the middle. And we'll do the horizontal ones first. We'll use 2070. And these should be each. Sure, for now. CO. Okay, 2070. 20. That might work. I'm hoping this works. This should work. Because this would be better than trying to reset the location. And it's kind of some advanced stuff. This is pre-advanced stuff. We're going to talk about more advanced stuff later. But this is good shit to know. Okay, we got a numerical count 1. Oh, yeah, I like it already. Oh, yes, I do. Especially since they disappear. Typically, you wouldn't want that. But this is a fucking weird-ass void above nothing. I like that. Okay, we can't go up there yet because, even better. Man, I'm going fucking all for it. Haha, giddy up. Okay, we got some improvements we can make, and we can make this like, we can actually make this like, if Chrono leaves from here and here, he'll actually enter from down here. There's a way to do that stuff, but we're pretty close to that. That's nice. Okay, so the thing is, though, if they do this, we want a party foul. Not party foul. Not party foul! Like you spilled your drink. Fuck no. This is party follow. Yes, that. So, yeah, sprite movement, I believe, yep. Party follow. The thing that we like. We're following the motherfucking part. Let's see what that is. Oh yeah, also we have to fix the top one. And the bottom one, I believe. Okay, I'm just checking the solidity and the spectral, or the Z-plane. I call it the spectral, because it's faster. Like, Z-plane, I don't know, just, like, phonetically it takes too long to say. I'm lazy. I've done hard work, so I get to take it easy. And, yes. We're gonna continue, and I got lost. Yeah, I so got lost. We're gonna do those as set object. Okay. This can just go away, so we can actually see what the fuck we're doing. Okay, we got those as, and really that one went up there, huh? Okay. You know, like it's kind of cool to like warp it to a different spot. Maybe I should have it like maybe I should have it centered. Like we could actually make. I'd like almost like 4 different regions. We could do that too. We could split it up. And then you have like 4 different regions. And then if you enter the bottom, well, okay, it'd be 8. It'd be 8. Let's not worry about that right now. Let's just get this working. Because that's how we do. That's how we do. We make it work. If you're going to do it in 8, you should get it to work in 4 first. Like the Bagawa. Yeah, that. So, like, yeah, it's because the Bagawa, they didn't just like, oh, we fucked up after 4, let's try it with 8. No. It didn't work that way. Never. They were flawless perfection from day motherfucking 1. So, okay. If that equals 0, 0. Let's bump it up to 1, I suppose. And we'll bump this one down to... I think this one worked, actually. I think it was just the top one. But, fuck it. But, fuck it. But, fuck it. I mean, Hot Pockets. Okay, we got a numerical count 0. We're still not able to get up there yet. Oh, shit. That was weird. Dude, I don't think it should have... Oh yeah, the party follow. I like that. Even though it's stupid, it's like... Because, like, technically, to get into this location, you're going to have Chrono as the leader of the party. So it makes sense. But we have a problem. We can't reach... We're probably at, like, 2. So what we're going to have to do is... No. If 212... Oh, I fucked up there. Okay. If this equals 1. There we go. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Like, that happens. Happens to programmers. Like, we've seen so many numbers that it's confusing, not because we're stupid. We ain't stupid. We've just seen so many fucking numbers. Yeah, that'll work for now. Even though that went the wrong way. Like, at least it's doing something kind of like what we wanted it to do. Now, what I'll do is I'll have it. Like, I can make this fancier. But this is also an example of, like, something you could do. You might hopefully you get some cool ideas out of this. Because, like, we can just have it call PC 0, and then, like... And let's make it fancier then, I guess. Let's do that now. First off, continue. Wait! We're using link. We're using link, not just sync. We want synchronized. Because we're going to link. So, yeah. There is a few other reasons for this. I can't remember off the top of my head. But as we get into stuff in the series, further like that. But this is important shit. So we're gonna do sync halt. Boom, boom, tsh, boom, boom, tsh. Yeah. So we're taking out party follow. That was just a temporary to test shit, so that they didn't wander all over eternity. And then, okay, so 9. Here's the thing though. Well, I'm going to use link. So I want to save. In fact, actually, I want to do this. I want to really save. 142. It's been too long. Ah! I typed that other thing. Project. Tutorial 5. Epic events. Yeah, because nothing's been broken so far. So, yeah, I will be dangerous and risk that. So, yeah, these 3, those. Okay, now we got go-tos to grab with. And if we have go-tos to grab with, we also have links. Because links are more sensitive than go-tos. We want 0343. I'm convinced that Kirby Superstar is the best Kirby game. The best! That's like something you, oh wow, whoa, did Windows update even more? 03, what was it, 43? Oh my god, I have to get this right or it will fuck up. Haha. Cause like, you can't just like edit the link number. You can't just do that. It closed to that. Okay, so. You got him right here, what are you doing? Okay, 0343. Ha. This time it's up here. Quit fucking going around. Yeah, go-tos like to be done from the bottom. Links like to be done from the top. But they're somehow evening out. Like, I swear there's still a glitch with this, so, yeah, cause look how many 41s there are. Holy shit, how do I know which one's the right one? It's like door number 2. Door number 3! Fuck, I don't know. I'm just gonna pick one. I'm gonna pick one in the middle. Just in case it's like the atomic charge of like raycast and the vortex geometry of time. Of like that being that. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And yes, take a notice of why I'm gonna do these, and of course, close the scene out. That didn't paste for some reason, but it made the sound like it was pasting. It was just pretend pasting. It was just plastering, and the plaster crumbled. But okay, so now we got 0343. 0343. You butt lips. Ah, it still goes. 0343K. Cool. But we also need 0347. Yeah, I think I like the idea of like picking one kind of near the middle. Not the exact one, I'm gonna pick this one. Yeah, that. 0347 and 034B. Now I'm trying to find it. This didn't exist with the go-to list a long time ago. I blame Windows. I so blame Windows. Ah, I just saw it twice. Yeah, no. This time I'll pick that one. This time I'll pick the middle one. And 034F. Forever. This is taking too long. Ah. Yeah, update right mem. Let's get out of here so it has to save. And be there, like, because I hit update and update right mem and control shift S. I got the fuck out of there. Yeah. This is kind of tedious, but it's not that bad. It's not like trying to figure out sprite animations or something. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. That was it. I was like, where is the provisos, the limitations on wishes? We'll go up. We'll go for, because of that almost mishap, we'll go the bottom up. Bottoms up. You perv. No, I'm kidding. Haha. I was talking about drinking. In fact, I could take another slurp. Alright, don't worry about it. I might be naughtier than you can imagine, so it's okay. I try to keep it kosher on these videos. I try to keep it kosher like kosher pork. You gotta watch out for that shit. Uh-oh. I almost missed one. And you know what I did? I fucked these two up. Fuck! So now I get to do this again. God dang it, that's what I get for mentioning kosher pork. Nobody knows what that is. Because that doesn't exist. Pork isn't kosher with the Jews. Yo. Oh, no. Okay, so that fucked up something else. Okay, save error. 02BF. We're gonna go find it. Which is trying to go to O2C1. But it's gone past 255 bytes. This is a byte. 03 is a byte. 54 is a byte. And both of those represent the command return. If that helps. 034F? Actually, no. No. It's like, okay, this is better. It's better this way. 034F is the location of this. Set object is a byte. It's a byte. It's actually probably 2 bytes. And then it's also the 4 bytes, because this is like, 00 to FF is 1 byte, right? Right. But see, this has 3 letters, so it's going to be more than 255, which is FF. So this is 4 bytes. So this command is probably 8 bytes alone. So we're going too far out of range. Let's go to O2BF and echo and see what's up. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, God, that was a lot of stuff. I think, them links broke the whole location. Might have. We're close, though, to having this working. Because it will still save. Let's close out. I saved and I wrote memory. Since I gotta fix this shit anyway, we may as well update this. And we may as well. Because, okay, this doesn't have a go-to. We're gonna fix all the go-tos first. God dang it, why is this a setback video? Not that it is. Okay, we're gonna keep that going to, even though there's nothing here. Nothing here. We're gonna skip to that pause 0 anyway. We want that there. We want it there. Okay, that's not the culprit. Wait, there's a go-to in here I didn't check, though. Okay, 0391. If CRONO'S active, go to 0391. I don't know if I like that. O2FE. This is our loop. Our loop is still working right. Good, right? Yeah, because, okay, here's the thing. If we make this loop much bigger, we're gonna have to like put this block of code in a different loop and have it halt, which in a loop is typically no-no. You don't want it to halt unless it's gonna like exit or like do something where it stops the loop. We don't want the loop to stop. We want the loop to keep warping. Like when you warp, it's gonna just keep looping anyway. But we want it to be tightly wound as possible. We want it to be fast. So shit. Okay, so let's not make this any much bigger. Yeah, is what I'm saying. So okay, so CRONO'S active. Yeah, we could add a few more commands to this. I've seen loops that they have a little bit bigger than this, but 391. If CRONO'S active, go back to that. But then it's going to go to this. Okay, so this is temporarily what should be the 03A1. Actually, and since loops that are go-tos that are defined, and when you close that out and come back into it, even if they're offset and they're like mismatched, the next one nearby is usually a few down the list. So if that helps you out, that helps you out. Okay, we're coming. 03A1 to 03B4. Yeah, so if he's there, then go to, like, skip this stuff. We'll fix this later. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter right now. It's just temporary stuff. O2FE, as long as that's working. Okay, so let's do an update write memory. Just to see which loops, like, they should have had a check errors, which would check for go-tos. 0788. Let's go down there. Okay, 0691. If Chrono is active, how? God damn it. When did this happen? Oh god. What the fuck? Oh, we're fucked. We're fucked. God damn it. You see that shit? Object 16. Wait, do we still have the other ones? We got the lemonade girl. Okay, so somewhere... I see. Okay, so somewhere I accidentally copied motherfucking object 0 and pasted that in. You know what that did? That fucked up a lot of go-tos. But fortunately, up until that point, we fixed them. So we don't have to go back. We don't have to worry about, like, the one that, like, let's go to the elemental. Other than the ones in here, we have to fix that for all the elementals, but I wanted to adjust these anyway later. So, yeah, 04, yeah, these are fine. Like 044F. Yeah, until that's, yeah, those are fine. And fortunately, yeah, that shows you what the hell was going on with go-tos, so, yeah, I don't even remember what we're doing anymore. I'm so sad about having to fix all that shit. I gotta test this out. Whoops. Wee ha ha! Jiggle surf! That's why we need diagonals in this warp. We'll get to it. Like going up halfway to here, if you go up past here, it should actually, of course, warp you to... It should actually, of course, warp you to, like, here. We could go to 16, but... Okay. We still have our +1 though. Yes, we do. Because we're still in the scene. Yay! Okay, even though that was like a waste of an incredible amount of time. God dang it. We have... Okay, so now let's now that we have that. Now that we actually have that, it's not fucking up shit. Like, it's at least, like, usable. We'll expand it later. We'll expand it later. We're not gonna worry about that for right now, because that's an easy expansion. We want to get... Functionality comes before glossy appearance. As T. Geiger once said, the guy that made this program that we're using right now. So, and that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. So, okay. Hey. Object data arbitrary 1. That's going to hide this. But now, all of a sudden, we're in our... Oh! That's why. Because we're in our... So we got, okay, we got to go. We don't have go-tos up to that point, but we have go-tos after. We got the Chrono go-tos, O3, B4, Christ, there was a Black Tyranno. Okay, well, we're just gonna, I'm gonna highlight the very bottom last node, no matter what it is. Deep butt lips. Clicking it again. I'm gonna hold shift. Oh yeah, that's right, it doesn't do that. Okay, so I'm holding control instead. So, yeah, shift doesn't work. But if I have these highlighted, even though it's not highlighting the ones in there, it's actually collecting those. I just spit something, I don't know, something flew in my mouth. Fuck you, fly. It's probably a fly. I'll kill it. Okay, problem is we have, oh god, what are we gonna do? Yep, we made ourselves a maze. Because these are all fine. Oh, these got reversed. You ass clown. So guess what I'm gonna do? There's a hard way to do this, and there's an easy way to do this. I'm gonna delete that shit. I'm gonna mock the system of it fucking all up. I'm gonna minimize this garbage. Because that's, to me right now, is garbage. I'm just gonna paste this in here. And these are outside it. But, because Chrono's active, then it's gonna do those Explorer mode off. Let's do this. I could drag each one of these into the... Because this has got to be in the loop, right? It's got to be in the loop. Well, fuck it. I'm going to try this again. I didn't save shit. Let's do something funnier. We could do... In fact, if Chrono is active, fuck it. Because what I want is like one of those extra things. I want something like that. Where we can just do this. And remember, we have only Chrono can reveal the power of this place. So we can actually cut this cutscene out fast and have that. And notice how, like, when I drop the last one in the list, it warps me down to the bottom of the location. So, I don't know what's up with that, but whatever. Fuck it. Now we have that. This is still whatever, but Now we have at least if he's active. If he's not active, I'm keeping this in here. Like, I'll modulate the code later. But okay, so if he's not active, may as well take care of that now. Okay, so object A, arbitrary 3. I'm just copying this. Ah! Cause, okay, we can deal with that. Yeah. A3. This will be like our activate the start of the I am the light element and blah 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 and do that stuff. Like we'll modulate this later, of course. But we need a way to like build up to what we want as a puzzle of like accumulation to like activate that, right? Right. I haven't taken a slurk of my drink for a while, so I got to. Aha! Fuck off. Okay, now we have a problem. Fuck you. Because if Chrono's active, what is this doing? It's going to load this anyway because it's in the loop. Right? Right. So we gotta watch out for that. And we'll like save, write memory, reload. At the end of this, I'm just gonna do a bottom down here. I don't know what these are. Like we'll look into it later. But I'm gonna do like another. I'm going to do another null pause. In fact, actually, since I added those, and that actually might fuck up the other go-to I made. Because, go-to C1. Sometimes when you have a go-to a spot and you copy that command, it almost seems to randomly choose which one you're diverging to, especially if you're going upwards in the node numbers more than downward. So beware of that. Beware of that stuff. It's not too big of a deal. It's just something you have to go back and change your go-tos. In fact, you should regularly check your go-tos just to make sure that the weird shit isn't happening. Oh, 320. No, I want it to be this, actually. I want it to be that way around. Fuck. Whatever. Whatever, this is good. This is good practice size. 0323. They should have had that. They should have go-to in the same list. I'm gonna make my own fucking version, motherfuckers. I'm gonna hack this too. 0323. Oh, it actually was up here this time. I was gonna say it's probably like Link, where it tries to go down to the friggin' bottom. Fuck. This is so time consuming and worth every motherfucking penny. Blah ha ha. They're gone! Haha, they came back. Oops. Whoa. What do we got going on here? How come Ayla and Magus get to go up there? Fuckers. Okay, well, at least we got that. Oh, the girl's supposed to disappear. Now it's gonna increase. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is terrible. Cause, I mean, it's working, but it's terrible in the sense, like, we gotta do some polish. Yeah! We got Walrus Melchior. Yeah, the black woman sure sparkles in the center. Man, we are so fucking... I just mangled the game, like... Because I think it's gotta equal 255 for it to actually... Oh, there they are! Hey! Oh, my friends! No! Come back! Come back! Why? No! Don't abandon me here! Yay! Awesome! No! Hold on. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Alright, we're chasing Magus! Let's get him! Oh, they're gone. This is just... Oh, yeah! No shit. I got them almost back to, like, the exact ratio. Oh, now it's fucked up. Now it's offset by the side. Great. I'm never gonna be able to realign that. Shit. Okay, now fucking around with that. Wow. Good fun. Okay, so we're getting somewhere though. We're getting somewhere in like the weirdness, like, cause like I said, this is a weird location. We want it to be kind of weird. I didn't expect it to be this fucking weird. Fuck. But that's the results that occur when you're doing this stuff. So may as well keep it real, keep it interesting. Fucking right. Fuck you, Team Rocket. Never mind. I'm just playing some Pokemon while I'm doing this. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I had like the number one fucking Pokemon in the game. The fucking Kyogre. Fucking shiny. Motherfucking Shundo. And then I can't get in that account anymore. I'm so sad. Like, so it's just like, it's not the same. It will never be the same. But okay, so we didn't even get to Dolly's clock. And yeah, like I said, we'll add that sprite later. I'll get into that a little bit later. There's some help I need on, getting that working right and, that stuff because, yeah. Yeah, that was the sound of my underwear ripping because I ripped the tag out of it. So anyway, let's, okay, so I'm getting pretty buzzed up here. I better check this out again. Before I get lost. Yeah, numerical count 0. What I want to do, because that's too fast. I want to make it so like you touch it, even if you go to a warp, because it shouldn't matter. They're not exits, right? Right. So if you go to a warp, it's building, there will be like a list of like pauses before that appears. I like that, because like it shouldn't be just like instantaneous. It should be like, God dang it, I'm wandering this void for a while. And then I keep wandering it. And I keep wandering it, and then there, like every now and then there's stuff that appears and I deal with. And like it's random. Like there's 3 different versions of the void each time. And you should only have to do that once though. Because once you actually unlock it, the light element being there, you walk into the scene and it's there. Like, just like the dark elemental, like, party spread, then you're dealing with the light elemental, that kind of shit. But Chronos, that and Chronos scene only occur once. So one main story pointer for each of those in the stack loaded in memory. And that stuff. And this looks so badass, this fucking graphical background. God dang it. I'm addicted. Okay, so you had a problem. You didn't disappear. Okay, so neither of those two. Let's start with that. Ah! Object 8 arbitrary. Butt lips. Because there's two reasons that could be happening. This is incremented by 1. Even if this isn't right, like I should take this out probably. In fact, actually I will now. Since I changed the exits. Yeah. Okay, there's that, but there's another problem with that. Because she's what? 12. If equals 0. That. Somewhere in here it's going through this loop again. And it's fucking with that. Right. I hate to do this. Because this is going to change a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, what was the other thing? Like where I couldn't go through the top. I think the top was the problem. Yeah. Yeah, it should warp you almost down here. Same with the bottom. Why is the bottom fucking up? Yeah! Whoa, whoa. We're kites now. Whee! Fly us! That should have disappeared. Right. That still should have disappeared that time. Oh, I get it. I'm getting it. I get it. 'Cause lemonade, try some of my lemonade. And then object 8 arbitrary 1 is gonna continue this shit. I should halt it. Let's halt it and see what happens. 'Cause, it's gonna play those. It's only gonna halt it for 0.125 seconds, right? Well, it runs this, but plus B arbitrary 1. So, 1.25 seconds plus B1. B arbitrary 1. There's no halt. There's an assignment, though. We should almost put the assignment in there, but it can do this assignment, these, like, perpendicular. I'm just gonna do a halt. Let's try a halt. Let's see what difference that makes. You should not still be there. God dang it. So we got a problem. Which I know what it is, of course, because it's probably in our if, like, if it equals 1. Thing is, it's greater than 1 at some point, right? increases, stores it. Does it actually store? Like, it stores it to, oh, could be that. Could be that. Where is it? And, okay, fuck off, North Steinbeckler. Fuck off, Chrono's mom. Fuck off, you, fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck you. You cool. Fuck you. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, you're cool. Alright, so. This. Numerical count, right? Because this is like, there's a weird, this isn't hard stuff, but with, like, Chrono Trigger, there is a weird, like, flow order to stuff that's different than you'd think in traditional programming. It is traditional programming, but we're reverse engineering it. So, the traditional programming is a little differed. It's differed. Like, if you typed in if this, then this, yeah, that's gonna flow in that manner, because the compile linkage, we're like hacking into that with a fucking pickaxe. And like, with, like, taking out that diamond ore, and we're putting like some computer circuitry or something in. It doesn't know that yet. It don't know. So yeah. That. So shit. We're lost. We're lost. Like, this should actually have stopped. Maybe I should halt, like, have these halted. Because if it does, but these are only the draw. These are only the draw, like, touch. Oh, okay, 12-0. You're gonna touch it once. I got it. That's what. We have to, let's just make it here. Let's just put it as activate. You talk to the little girl instead. Fuck it. Let's see how that flows different. Okay. Like before, she like glitched out and all of a sudden she's there again. So, thing is though, we could do a couple different things with this. You know what? Let's fuck draw. Now I'm pissed. Like, I should have done this to begin with. There we go. There we go. Ha, bitch, you're gone. I don't care what your lies are. Your heresy goes to the black flame. Floom. Okay, so, we're getting somewhere there. We're getting somewhere. Okay. We could do in object 8 arbitrary 1. And 8-1. If the number increased, and I'm thinking about that. I'm thinking about doing that. Might be the best way. Because, okay, when does the little girl get drawn? Right? There's F, that's the gas bar. Then there's the girl, that's 1. Right? And it's going to go up to 8. Because, okay, it's going to remove object 12. Problem is, that object A takes some second. You can hit the check button twice. We can do this though. Let's try continue, because there's multiple ways to do this. So let's go back up here though, where I continue and then updated that. I should almost make another object as a handler, because we don't need that many more objects after this. We're gonna add about 5 more objects in the next video, and a mega cutscene that I will copy and paste in here, and for your convenience. But yeah, god damn it. Fuck it, we're trying it. Sadly, I'm not too fucked up to do this. I'm fucking just starting my day. So, I will get rid of that numerical count text dialog. In fact, that's better. I like that. Yeah. I like that. I like it. Just continue to remove it. That's faster. Fuck it. So let's get the other ones added. Just so people don't spam. Butt lips. Ha. Just so people don't spam the button. We're adding that. So, yeah. That. Now we'll go back into it. Yeah, I'll save after this. I probably should save. Explore mode off. Continue. Remove object. No. Fuck you. We're gonna do that while we remove object 11. Yeah. And we just rinse and repeat. Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater, or you'll have no baby. And what the fuck is up with that? Yeah. Those is toeses. So yeah. Instead of draw satisfied, because we're reusing the location. We're not warping with exits. And using assignment pointers. We're keeping the accumulated counter. Like the accumulated counter on this particular location is kind of the lesson here. So, like that stuff. Yeah. Let's hit that go to the top. I'm also remembering to do that. Remove object F. By the way, go to the girl with the lemonade, and can't remember what I was gonna do. Fuck you, dents in my head, motherfucker. Okay, so butt lips. Breakdown viruses. How do you like me being able to throw this telepathically into the fire, bitch? Stupid fuck. Okay. Yeah, let's start to see how this will take shape before we end the video, because the next video is gonna be motherfucking epic. minus equals 32. See, that's something I should probably change. Because that's fucking with the total numbers. Yes, it is. I don't know what I was thinking there. But we want our Explorer mode on, and our remove instead of draw status, because we're not going to reuse this object again on this particular instance. So yeah, it's gone. Okay, keep going up. Don't remove Gina. We're going to keep it like that for a bit. But I will put this back on there. For right now, because Gina is important to this. You'll see. We're making Chrono's mom that motherfucking badass. You're fucking right. You motherfucker. I just realized did you realize what God just did to us? Yeah, okay, this is the one I wanted to do. Move objects. Haha. That time I caught myself. Yeah, people make mistakes. That's okay. Shit happens. That's why we're learning this shit. And if anybody else tells you ever differently, tell them I said, fuck you to the black flame with your heresy, bitch. You're just jealous because you're not a human being and you're from another piece of shit planet that got blown up from God Almighty's wrath, motherfucker. Because you fucked up and you're fucking just trying to be a motherfucking clown. That's what you tell them. So yeah. And continue on. Okay, so we got those. And we got these. Those are these. Okay, we got a numerical count. Walrus Melchior is gonna need one. And yes, we're keeping that as that. That's just that was our early lesson object as just an example, but we're because it's so bizarre and this is supposed to be kind of an abstract bizarre scene, we're throwing that motherfucker in. So yeah. Let's see what that does. And I'm about to wrap up this video. We're gonna finish anything that's buggy. We're gonna continue in the next one. I mean, we're not gonna continue the bugginess. I thought I fixed that. That's the one thing I keep forgetting. I thought I could do this. Whoa! Chrono's really fast now. Yeah, that's gonna need some work. So okay, there's that. Yeah, these all need I'm gonna move North Time back to somewhere else. Yeah. Where's our fucking uh-oh. Yeah, so we're getting to Gina. Now we have this. Okay, we have our Dolly's clock, which is not Dolly's clock graphic yet, but it's music notes. Uh-oh. I can't move. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. Now, do you see? No, I don't. I'm blind. Aha! It glitched out. Okay, cool. Well, now we have we're getting closer. We're getting closer, like, weird shit happens when you're making games. Especially this, so, like, I'm leaving this shit in the video. I'm not taking this out like it's a fucking, like, oh, I gotta hide all the errors and be some motherfucking perfect motherfucking being. Fuck that shit. If that was the case, What are you doing here? Fuck! Fuck these other idiots out there that say that they're perfect and they're gods. This demigod is not perfect. I'm a demigod, but I'm imperfect. I'm working on my perfection. And I can admit that as a human being, as motherfucking son of Adam. Right. So, here we go. If you like the video, yes, bid by paying us a donation. You don't have to do that shit. Nobody ever does. Nobody ever makes a donation. Even 12 cents would make a difference. But, nobody's gonna do that. So, don't ever pay us. Never pay us. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you like this shit.